390 Wagon Master here. We're going to do a quick video today on the President Bill and the Randy 2 FCC AM FM CB radios. These are brand new releases from President Electronics about mid-year 2022. I've been getting folks that ask me what these radios sound like on FM, so I wanted to use two new President radios to try to demonstrate that. I have the Bill on a dummy load, so we're not transmitting out into the airwaves, and then of course the walkie-talkie is on its own little rubber ducky type antenna. I also chose the Bill 2 because of its compact size. This will fit in pretty much any modern vehicle. Okay, so let's get started. Now, if we get a little bit of feedback on here, it's because I've tried to get the volume set to whereas they wouldn't squeal in feedback, but yet the camera would pick them up. So let's see how this goes. Okay, first of all, we'll start with the mobile. I'm going to use the OEM stock mic. Hello, this is the President Bill 2 FCC transmitting to the Randy 2 FCC. We are on AM on channel 20. That's not bad at all. Sorry about the squeal. This is the President Randy 2 FCC talking to the Bill 2 FCC. We are on channel 20 using AM. Okay, not bad, not bad. Let's go to FM now. Flip that over to FM, flip this over to FM. This is the President Bill 2 FCC talking to the President Randy 2 FCC on channel 20 FM. This is the President Randy 2 FCC talking to the President Bill 2 FCC on channel 20 FM. Okay, I'm going to hit the volume up just a little bit more on this Randy right here. Let's see here. Hello, test radio 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the Bill 2 FCC on FM. Okay, so in my findings, they both are a really good match on FM. FM, the audio is 100% crystal clear, very loud, not obnoxious. Not too loud, not over-modulated, just perfect, just perfect. In my tests talking across the Salt Lake Valley, both of these radios perform very, very well on FM. AM performance, however, is a little low. These are box stock radios. These are doing about 80 to 85% modulation. I'd rather see these up at about 100, so they're a little bit louder. But that's kind of the nature of the beast with these radios. And yeah, I mean, they're both a good rig. I have no problem with these whatsoever. In all my testing, they've been shown to work phenomenal. So anyway, please leave questions or comments down below. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Thanks for watching.